Okay, so we're looking at how we can run the new Replay Mirror app on the Lose first generation consoles. So we are going to get some of these, but not all of these aspects as part of it. Okay, to start the new Replay app, we're going to go to it, and this is really to make sure that Reflector is working and everything. So when you click on it and you start it, unfortunately, we don't get the full menu. It gives us our walkthrough and everything, and so we are to follow the video. So I'm going to do a walkthrough on how to use this video, so then you're not trying to watch this over and over again and make it work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press the Win and the D on our touchpad. We're going to go down to the search bar. Okay, and in the search bar, we're going to type in Reflector. Now, this is only going to need to be done the first time. This is just the setup. We are then going to go to Open. It may be a link on your desktop, it may not, but we're going to set it up. There might be a new version of Reflector, so you may have to download the new version of Reflector. And when you go into Reflector, it opens up and you click on Settings and you open the general settings. Now, in this first box, this is where it may say your computer name, and you want to uncheck this box. Okay, so you can change it from the computer name to something that you would remember and see when you're trying to connect. Name it something that you are going to remember. Okay. You also need to make sure that you take the hover always on top, take that off, because otherwise the little box is always going to be there. And you hit apply. Okay, so you can close your preferences, and on your tablet, you're going to go into screen mirroring. You're going to pick your connection, and then it will pop up on the screen. So now, as I'm looking at my screen, it shows everything. So if I turn my camera on, it now provides my camera up on the screen. Now there is a delay to it. That's how it works. But again, so if I stop my mirroring, it goes away. Now the reflector is always running in the background, so you can, once you've run it, you can do that. And any device that is connected to the same Wi-Fi, okay, connected to the same Wi-Fi. So let me connect another device. So that was use your camera, okay, on your other device to show. So this is on the Android device. All right. So then if I want to show a video, so off of the tablet so the kids can see it, okay, I'm casting it to it, and it's so then they can see the picture and understand what it's doing. So now I can show them that idea. So that is everything that has to do with the Replay utility app on the first generation Lou. Hope it helps.